Take a ride in the 2017 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, convertible soft top, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.